Hello guys, today welcome to AX. We are doing coding today. Press the house and press the plus button. And we have to delete the cat. And go in cars, and I found the program. We need to make a house with a road. This is better. We have to make it smaller. We find a red car. A blue button, and we if we touch the blue message, if we touch the blue ball, then we receive a blue message. And go to blue car. We said if we touch the blue car, that we open. We move. No, if we open the message, we move forward. Blue message. And if we go to the red car, then we do it small. And do the red button. And if we do the red button, if we touch the red button, we send a red message. And go to red car. If the red message will open the message, then we move forward. Try the game now. And I won. Bye guys.